Lesson 1. Occupation and Vocational Education. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, the student will be able to tell the concept of occupation, enlist the importance of vocational education, classify occupation. Before we begin, the people in your locality must have adapted various work for the livelihood. Enlist few of them. All the occupations contribute equally to the development of society. Do you agree with this statement? Tell with reasons. Is a barber a technical occupation? If yes, why? Concept of occupation. Occupation refers to any activity that serves people for a regular source of livelihood. In other words, people are involved in different work to earn livelihood. They are called the occupation. People adopt occupations based on their skills, ability, and interest. Occupation have evolved along with the development of society, civilization, science, and technology, etc. In this regard, we can see a seismic change in the types of occupation that are carried out in modern times. In reference to the past, modernization of occupation can be related to various kinds of vocational education, training, and technologies. Most of the occupation in Nepal revolves around construction, education, medical, agriculture, and forestry, public service, etc. Classifications of occupation. There are different bases to classify occupation. The key occupation of Nepal can be classified on the following basis: sector, technology, level, end result. Classification of occupation. On the basis of sector, occupation can be classified based on its core sector. As per this, some of the major sectors of occupation in Nepal are agriculture, health, tourism, public service, forestry, construction, education. Each sector is then further divided into various subsectors. For example, subsector in health sector, pharmaceuticals, public health, homeopathy, primary healthcare, etc. Floriculture, olericulture, medicinal plant farming, animal husbandry, etc. On the basis of technology, occupation can be also classified on the basis of technology used. The major types of occupation based on technology used are explained below. I. Non-technical occupation that requires almost no use of the non-gazetted occupation in public administration. Number 2. Technical occupation. The occupation that use technology in a major way that are called technical occupation. Technical occupation is involved in carrying out various technical and technological functions in engineering, health, agriculture, science, education, and various other disciplines. In the present world, technology has become an essential factor for sustaining our life through occupations and business. That is why the demand of technical manpower is growing day by day. Development in the field of science and technology has led to the invention of various machines and utility equipment. Aeroplane, ship construction equipment, telecommunication to simple machinery items are, all are the result of innovation and development in technology. Works related to these are called technical occupations. For example, in the field of telecommunication, work related to development of various towers, antennas, wire, mobile set, landlines, etc. come under technical occupation. Today, one can find technical occupation in the majority of the sectors such as health, mathematics, education, engineering, natural science, entertainment, etc. Technical occupation also do differ regarding label. One prime example of such differentiation can be seen in health sector. Surgeons, doctor specialist, higher level technical occupation, health assistant, medium level technical os- occupation, lab boy, primary level technical occupation. Next, in part 2,